What is up guys, it's Sean here again, and today I'll be doing another unboxing, and this time it's going to be headphones. So I have a lot of in-ear headphones like the AirPods Pro, the regular AirPods, and then the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds as well. But I needed a pair of over-the-ear headphones, and I don't have any, so I decided to go with the Beats Studio 3 headphones because they were on really good deal at Amazon. I didn't want to spend $400 on headphones, and these ones were around $170. So that was a great deal on Amazon. So I just went ahead and got those, and so let's go ahead and unbox these up and see how they are.
So here's the box, guys. This is the box that was shipped in, and I bought this from Amazon like I said before. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up with my infamous knife here. Okay, it's opened. Nice. Wow. These are the Beats Studio 3s. Let's get this box out of the way. Okay, so here's the box. Beats Studio 3s. Let's zoom out a little bit. Well, I cut this with my knife. Well, that's okay. I'm gonna put the knife to the side so I don't cut myself right now for cutting the box here. So yeah, it says these are active noise cancelling headphones. And wow, what a nice packaging. I mean, I love this box. Look at this, it's all black with the all black headphones. I went with the all black ones because I really like them. And so these are the specs. This is the back. 4-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones with carrying case. Wow, so they include a carrying case in this as well. That'll be awesome if they do. So they have the USB cable for charging, made for Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, and then just Beats Studio 3. And yeah, actually it looks just like a packaging from any Apple product, because Beats is now owned by Apple. So yeah, that's why this packaging is so nice. Yeah, you can tell it's an Apple product. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Let's tear away this cover, this film here. Okay, zoom out a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna slide these out like this. Nice. Wow. Already loving the packaging that they've done here. Okay, so this slides up like this. Change the way you hear sound. Nice. Let's pull this up. And there's the headphones and the cover. So the headphones are probably in this cover right here, this carrying case. Nice. Wow. Love the presentation, man. Oh my god, they're doing a really nice job here with the packaging, like I said before. Wow. Really nice presentation. And this box, this cover is so good. Let's put this to the side for a second and see what else we get here. So nothing else. Oh, can I like build this up? Nope. Let's put this back here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Well, what a nice cover, man. Look at the detail on this. Wow. It's all stitched up, and it's kind of like a rubbery material. It's so nice. Wow. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we get inside this case. So here are the headphones, all folded up. Nice. Wow, love this color. So good. It's kind of like matte black. Yeah. So these are the volume controls, and then play, pause button, and the button for taking calls. But that is nice. this got, I think it's a plastic material, but it's good. Looks like it's good and sturdy. Nice. And these earphones are also look pretty comfortable as well. Nice. Okay. Should I take this off? No, I'm gonna leave this on for now. So I'm not sure where the USB cable is. Maybe there's something else in the box. Nothing in here. There should be a USB cable. So there was a picture on the box of the USB cable, right? Oops. Okay. Actually, no. There's nothing else in the box besides the headphones. So they're not even giving the USB cable with it. That's weird. It's just the headphones? Does this open? No. It does not. So I just found out this tab. There's a tab right here. So yeah, that's what I was wondering. How come there's nothing else in the box? So just lift this up right here, like this. And here is the cable. Yeah. Because it said on the box that there was a cable. So this is a 3.5mm cable. Nice. For 3.5mm audio jack. That's good. Nice. I wasn't expecting this. Then we get some user manuals. Let's see what we get here. I'll pair with great music. Beats Studio 3. This is quick start guide. Get Beats app, stay up to date. Oh, Beats stickers, just like Apple stickers. Important guide information and some safety guides. And that is it, I guess. Wow, they're liking this Beats sticker. So glad they're giving stickers now. Maybe because they're owned by Apple now, so Apple is so just like Apple stickers, they're including Beats stickers in this. Let's see what else we get. So we get a clip here. Attach it. Nice. Then we get the USB cable. This is good. Fast fuel, 3-hour play. 10-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playtime. That's nice. Oh, so it's the old micro USB cable. I was expecting a USB-C, but I think these headphones are a little old, like 2 years old. So probably that's why it's still coming with this cable. It was really hard for me to figure out where all that stuff was, because you can't tell, right? It's like a solid box. You can't tell unless you see this tab here. I couldn't see that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try out these headphones. We're gonna listen to music together, and I'll tell you guys how I like them and how these sound, and how's the bass and the treble and everything, highs and lows. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so let's try turning these on. Actually, I'm gonna bring my iPad close by, because these have the Apple W1 chip, so they should be easy to connect to my iPad or any Apple devices that you might have. So is this the button to turn these on? Yeah, I see lights. And nice, yeah. So you see, that's what I was talking about, the Apple W1 chip. So you just click connect, kind of like the Apple AirPods. And that's how easy it is to connect these. Nice. So zoom in a little bit. Okay, so wow, they have 100% battery right out of the box. I was expecting that. That is great. Nice. So let's go ahead and listen to some music.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try these on. So here are the headphones right here. So let's put these on for the first time. Okay, wow. So very comfortable actually. Just like Bose over-the-ear headphones. Very comfortable. Okay, let's see. The noise cancellation off. On. Wow, they're actually working very nice. Now let's go ahead and play music real quick. So I'm gonna start with a bass heavy track, because that's what these are made for, right? Like hip hop music. Let's go ahead and do that. These are actually very balanced. I wasn't expecting these to sound like this. Very good. Very balanced sound. I was expecting these to be like more like, you know, bass heavy, something like that, but the bass is very balanced. I think it's perfect. Yeah, so if you like listening to music at loud or at like full volume, these headphones are definitely for you. Cause these can go real loud, really seriously loud. I can't go over 75%. Wow, they're so loud. I think that's why a lot of people use these in the gym. You know, I think these are perfect for working out. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Again, thank you so much for watching.